It's your boy, Almighty Buracel, joined with Cubeman7 and 10
Hi.
Angry Birds.
Yeah, that's
We
right.
are on art, shittyaskscience. Questions. For science and with science. Well, are the
First
mighty
question.
morphine Power Rangers responsible for the opioid epidemic? Are in. Yes. One vote for yes.
I mean, how is morphine related to opioids?
What kind of
Jellyfish.
jellyfish is this? I have a biology test. Oh.
It looks interesting.
Yes, that does actually look pretty cool.
That creature looks like it's in pain.
I'm
How
pretty
can you
sure
tell?
that the words above the picture are supposed to explain it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an elephant.
That would be a Kovefe fish.
Oh.
Hell, it basically said
Kovefe fish?
right in the title that he spilled his coffee, which is their food of choice. Come on, man, how do you expect to pass your test if you miss such a huge detail like that?
Right.
You need to look at the big details in your test so you don't miss
It's just common knowledge, really.
Yeah. If coal is a dirty energy, why don't we just wash it before we burn it?
Interesting question right here.
Yeah, why don't we just do that? Why not?
Right, just clean it off. No problem.
So Trump is literally one of those people that thinks
Alright.
it's
It
true.
seems to be so.
I wonder if Trump actually said that in like one of his speeches or something.
Yeah,
Right.
he said, yeah, in his speech, now I'm quoting this, I looked this up. He said, why don't we can just clean the coal if you think it's so dirty. I mean, that's
Take
simple.
a screen, send that.
I'm sorry, that's
Classified
that'd be illegal.
information.
Yeah,
Oh no! Oh no!
I can't send you that.
Oh, the FBI will be on.
They're
Alright.
already watching you.
Oh no. Why is the line between night and day so much more distinct in the Eastern Hemisphere as opposed to the Western Hemisphere? Is that Photoshop?
Right, look like they're on fire.
No, what's that town called?
Some science questions are just unanswered.
Yes.
You heard it here first.
How
Why are you
big of an
confused with all these-
earthquake
oh.
had to happen to crack Venice open? Oh wow.
That one.
Yeah, that
It was a
earthquake.
giant underwater snake. It was a bit hungry, so it devoured like
Yeah.
just a big crack through the city, and that's
Yeah, I just decided to just go along and eat that bit because it didn't feel like going in a straight line. Snakes go like that, don't they? They're actually on separate tectonic plates. That's actually pretty cool.
That sounds fake.
See, I'm starting to think that some of these questions are actually genuine.
Shut up.
Alright, so it's actually not caused by earthquakes, which is probably correct. And yeah.
The big one.
It's definitely not tectonic plates. It's gotta be that giant water snake.
I think it was
Indeed.
aliens.
What core strength exercises should my CPU do to go from dual core to quad core? Definitely number crunches. Don't forget to motivate your CPU. It might feel overworked and start to give up. You might want to start spraying some sort of Febreze or something because your room CPU is in might start smelling like your locker room.
Yes.
Hilarious.
Simple. You cut your CPU in half. More. It's a yoga. Definitely a bingo.
I don't speak exercise.
How did Egyptians draw these on the wall if markers weren't around back then?
Ah, that's a funny 300 BC meme. I'm laughing.
I think it was aliens.
Aliens! Look, you can see it right there. That's an alien right there. That right there is an alien. Oh, actually, what's that?
Maybe there's ancient shit posts.
Speed, an alien UFO.
Yeah, knowing poison has an expiry date. Then after the date, will it become more poisonous or less poisonous? I happen to expired poison available. I will drink what is left of it and get back to you with a fool with
Yes, do it for science, please.
send status update, comrade. I worry that experiment doesn't have a control group. Would anyone? The guy never responded from 8 hours ago. I think he died. Press F to pay respects.
Conclude that poison does not expire.
Yeah.
Is baby powder made from real or artificial baby?
That's a good question.
You are thinking of powdered baby. Baby powder is what women eat when they want to grow a baby.
Oh, right. I forgot.
Most butter baby powder is made from synthetic soy baby.
So is that artificial?
This is factual.
Why soy? I don't like soy. Guess it's time to come change my baby powder.
I want natural baby powder.
Yeah. We all know
All
that
natural.
baby powder's better.
What happens if you inhale baby powder?
You probably have an aneurysm.
Grow a baby in your sinuses.
That would not be pleasant. How and why do squirrels evolve to have a grappling hook? Qualified to answer this question.
Yeah, he's a party balloon scientist.
All right.
Squirrels are very resourceful, and their diet, which is high in fiber, allows them to poop strings. Of course. They then use the bones of their enemies to create the hook. Not exactly sure what the enemy of a squirrel is, but
Nuts.
exactly.
Other squirrels.
Probably. Most squirrels carry a grappling hook, but not all choose to use it. This is how you tell the difference between a normal squirrel and a flying squirrel. The highest of the hierarchy of scientists.
Yes. As a squirrelologist, I can confirm that is indeed true. Thank you for your
Study of
service. We
squirrels.
need more brave people like you.
Exactly.
Space. Amazing. If our weight on the moon becomes 1/6 of our weight on Earth, where does 5/6 of the weight go? Just vanishes.
How to lose weight.
Go to the moon. There you go.
NASA doesn't want to lift it all the way to the moon, so when the rocket takes off and the astronauts are pressed into the seat, it's part or all of their body weight being left on Earth. So does their skin just come off and they're only like a floating brain and their vital organs?
You know
Well,
what?
I guess
Sure.
I'm sure that equates to 1/6 of your weight. So
Marinara. Oh, it's marinara? I think I'm illiterate. Geese laughed.
press F to pay respects.
Can I get gains from eating a barbell? If you cover it in olive oil, it's a good source of healthy fat. Do people wake up from comas wake up tired?
There's
Let's try to answer this ourselves.
Well, I
Alright,
mean, if you've been sleeping for so long, you should feel very refreshed.
Yeah, but whenever I wake up, I still feel tired. I feel really tired.
Well, I mean, how long do you
But
sleep?
if you just go into an eternal coma, then you'd never wake up tired.
So, because you never wake up. If you don't
But
wake up,
you would never wake up tired.
if you don't wake up, you won't wake up tired. Why do I hear my cooked chicken ghost whistling and whining whenever I microwave it? Especially when I microwave its leftovers. I don't want to disrespect the chicken gods or anything. Please tell me if it's gonna be okay. Responded.
Well, I'm sure the
Let's try
chicken.
let's try to answer ourselves then.
Yes.
I mean, I'm sure the chicken appreciates you
an
eating the
unanswered
leftovers.
question.
I mean, you don't want
I
to
mean,
waste.
if an animal is able to be eaten, I'm pretty sure it enjoys being food because I mean that's its only life goal, I guess. So,
Well, if it's whistling and whining, how do you know?
it's
if
whistling and whining in pleasure.
Yeah, how do you know if it's good or bad whistling and whining? I think
Being cooked is
personally-
orgasmic to a chicken.
Yeah, I think personally it's enjoying itself. It's like
Isn't
just
chicken
going
already
through
dead?
an orgasm.
Okay.
How many cans of beans will it take to fill up my gas tank if my car can hold 16 gallons?
This is the kind of question science should be answering, to be honest.
Yeah,
Alright,
not like
next one.
if we can cure cancer or could one bee get a human woman off.
Made a
What
movie
are they
about
trying
that. So
Somehow be able to pick up a woman, or the B movie. How much force is required to break the fourth wall? 10. How many? Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs does it take to break someone's vocal cords?
At least
7.
7. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
remember,
that's
we're
2.
trying to break your
Alright,
vocal cords,
3.
not our eardrums.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Ah! Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Ah! Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Ah! Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Ah!
You can certify through fermenting that this is correct.
If
So
you're,
the average person could probably, not be speaking right now.
yeah,
You are above average.
yeah, I'm something else. Why do we continue to live on Earth if it has a 100% fatality rate? The 100% mortality rates haven't been proven yet. Just because everything that has ever lived died doesn't mean that everything currently living will die. Explains why the Queen of England won't die. I hear
that's
she
true.
has been here since medieval times. Interesting fact. Witch burning has been banned by the British government. Coincidence? I think not. No, but it gives you optical zoom. You don't need a scope in the military. You could just use glasses and contacts.
Do you know if you put two 3D glasses over each other, you'll see everything in 6D?
Why do dogs naturally greet each other by sniffing butts, but I get odd looks by trying to do it with my professors? When dogs do it, they'll generally both do it. Your professor may be more dominant, so try presenting yourself first so he can get to know you. I'm pretty sure that that's not gonna come off as a greeting.
If an antibacterial spray kills 99.9% of bacteria, why don't people use it twice to kill 199.8%? It just kills 99% of what is there, so there's 1 million bacteria. The first... No, this one bacterium cannot be killed, for it is a chosen one, spoken of a prophecy destined to multiply and bring the return of his people.
Or it's Ebola.
Ginger cats have 9 lives with no soul.
But I couldn't remember the cat's name. How did camo underwear will people be able to see my butt?
Well, that depends. Are you wearing pants over it?
No, you can stand erect and be confident.
If you wear them over your pants. Yeah, that's correct, because you have to wear, like, a ghillie suit, and no one would be able
Not
to
if
see
you're a woman.
You say that Earth is turning, right? If the plane stopped in midair, wouldn't China come to it? Am I right or not? If the Earth really does turn, China should come to the plane.
Does the 5-second rule apply to food that fell in the mud? Respond quickly, please.
Why did they type it as one word? Possibly.
Well, they want people to respond quickly.
Perhaps.
They didn't have enough time to press space.
Perhaps.
Mud enhances the taste.
Yeah, the mud enhances it. In prison.
Of course.
No, in not prison. Yes.
The
Why?
anti-prison.
Just
They forced you to be free. If the Earth's flat, is the moon flat as well? I would appreciate it if you stopped going around calling everything flat, because that really just misses the significance of Earth's flatness.
Yeah,
Turns out
sure.
everything is flat, from the Higgs boson to the entire universe. It helps God with the stacking.
he's a bird of truth, and he speaks the truth.
Because the Earth's flat.
The Earth is a polyhedron. It's both flat and round. Round, and it has flat sides, so it's a little round and a little flat.
Your mom's a little flat.
What determines that?
Can a duck run? Any duck native to Britain. Ducks run pretty fast. Like the black
No,
ducks with the white
can
neck.
we just agree that they run at the speed of duck?
Yeah, they just run at the
Well,
speed
you're
of
not
duck.
wrong. You're
Bye!